Hi, I'm Kania. Welcome to my channel. Today it is time for my IPSY unboxing. I'm so excited. I love getting my IPSY boxes. Now, I don't use everything as quickly as I should because I get so many samples and I've had so many boxes come in, like other stuff that I've been holding on to. But I have started to use more of the things a little sooner rather than later, and I have been so happy. So yes, so now it's time for my December IPSY unboxing. This bag is so pretty. Okay, it's like a rose gold. It's like a pink with gold flecks. This is pretty good lighting. I'm filming inside because it's dark, almost outside. It's kind of dusky, but I really want to see what's in this bag. As you can see, I'm wearing my holiday lights. I would turn them on, but it's probably going to be a little distracting for the camera, so I'm going to keep them off for now. But yes, I am very festive. So the first thing in the bag, this bag feels like it's got a lot of big stuff in it. Elemis Peptide Eye Recovery Cream. Okay, so I've been getting a lot of eye creams lately, and I'm loving this. I'm all about it. I started using one of the ones I got, I don't know how long ago. Sorry. But it's in a pump, and I love it. My eyes feel great. I have my makeup on. I have lipstick on. So this is another reason I wanted to film it today, so that tomorrow I won't look, you know, all tired and whatnot. But anyway, cute little packaging. Oh, this is the box it comes in. Sorry. And it is a tube. Okay, so that's interesting. So that's a fingertip application, no problem. I prefer a pump, but this will work too. And this is for transfer. Younger looking eyes around the clock. Dark shadows and puffiness appear reduced. Appear. They're very careful with their wording. Next thing. Très Loose Beauty Intense liner gel color pencils. Ooh, Fuerte and Accomplished. Let's see if I can get that to focus. Maybe not. Okay, take my word for it. The two colors are there, though. This light is pretty good. Okay, that's the two colors. So it's an eyeliner duo, so I'm guessing one on each end. Oh, no, there's two pencils. Nice. Very nice. And these are sharpenable. Sharpenable. You sharpen these. Oh, I like the packaging because it's like a matte finish. Love it. So you get two pencils. Loving that. This is why I like IPSY. New brands that I haven't ever heard of or tried. And really cool product. Full size. This is the IPSY Glam Bag Plus. I also subscribe to the IPSY Glam Bag X, which is curated by celebrities or famous people. Celebrity? Yeah, so celebrities. Next thing, and those are really nice. Those are a little bit extra. This is not a sponsored video, but the things in that box are like things that these, you know, high profile people use themselves or that they like or whatever. So you get more expensive things in that box sometimes, and it's only $30. Can't beat that. This is Icon. Oh no, I'm sorry. This is, oh, I don't know how to say this. Uoma Beauty in Badass Icon. I'm guessing this is a lipstick. I didn't really read it. Matte lipstick, yes. This one is called Tracy. Badass Icon. Tracy. I wonder who this one is. So I'm guessing this is a themed kind of thing. Like Tracy is probably someone famous. Oh, clear white packaging with the brand name here in like a raised font. A badass does not talk about being a badass. Oh, that's pretty. This reminds me of the MAC lipsticks. Oh, Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's pretty. And then it says Uoma Soke. So I guess that's her name. That's really pretty. I have, ooh, magnetic closure. Love. Full size. I am really enjoying my IPSY. Just FYI. Next thing is a bag of stuff. What is this? Ooh, nail polishes. Okay, so they put it in a bubble wrap inside a bag in my bag, so that if they break, they are still sealed, which is nice. And these nail polishes that they send are usually 7 free, and the colors are really nice, and they coat really well, and they last pretty well too. I did take one to the nail salon for them to do my feet, and it did really well. Okay, the first one, they send really pretty colors. Ooh, this is People of Color nail polish. Oh, and the color is Makita. It's a blush color. I don't think you can really see it as well as I would like. I'm going to move this light back. Maybe if I turn the light off for a sec, just a sec, to see what kind of light situation we're dealing with here. Okay, maybe not so much. But it's pretty. It's a very, ooh, and it's got shimmer in it. Ooh, that's going to be pretty. I cannot wait to use that. And let's turn that back on. Ooh, love a bubble wrap. Ooh, this is such a pretty red. Oh my God. Rodeo Drive. This red is gorgeous. This camera is not doing it justice. This red is a deep, almost bluish red. It's so pretty. Wow. Okay. Thank you, IPSY. And I think I have one more thing in the bag. I do. 4, 5, 5. Aciology brightening treatment mask. Brightens, refines, and energizes. Ooh. 2.19 ounces. Yes. Okay. Oh, yes. Come through, IPSY. Oh, apply a thin layer evenly. Relax for 30 minutes. Gently peel off mask from the edges. Yes. I am excited. Okay. It's glow time. Cute. That's it. I am so excited. This is a great box. I'm going to wear that lipstick. Well, it's the holiday season. I've been wearing red. This is shout out to myself, but, because it's not a sponsored video, so I was going to shout out to Maybelline, but they didn't provide lipstick. They just created. This is the Maybelline Liquid Matte Ink in a red, and I've got a little bit of the Revlon Color Stay to give it like a little bit of a shine because the Maybelline is a super matte. But I ate my luncheon today. We ate at our luncheon today for work, and I have not touched it. Love it. This bag makes me happy. These polishes are gorgeous. I get my nails done, and I use shellac. So I'm wondering if I can use these. I don't think I can, but I can use them on my feet. But oh my gosh, these colors are so pretty. So pretty. And I'm super excited about this eyeliner duo. I'm wearing makeup today. I don't know. I'm sure you can tell because I hardly ever have makeup on when I film. And I actually, looks pretty good. I have a little highlight on, little Becca Cosmetics highlighter. I do a mix of high end and low end as far as makeup goes. I use what I like and what works for me. And that Il Makiage, maquillage foundation that you buy online and you do the color test online. Great color match. You can see my face and my body are the same color. Love, love. Okay, that's it. That's my IPSY box. I am super excited and I cannot wait to try this lipstick. And it's a matte. Oh, and it's a nude. And this bag is reusable. I will be keeping things in this bag. And yes, so tell me what you thought about my video and my box. And if there's something in here that you've tried or you have an opinion about something that they have sent to you in your IPSY glam bag box, glam bag box or bag. Depends on the month. These, okay. I have to do it. We're going to try these. It's a very light touch. Ooh, that is soft. This is a nice brown. Oh, it's a shimmer. Oh. Yes, I don't know if they're like matte or anything, but oh, they are smudge resistant and transfer proof. 13-hour wear. Yeah. I was afraid to touch them until I read that, but oh my gosh. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but I'm rubbing my hand. You see my skin moving? Okay. That's a lot of rubbing. Oh, what? What? IPSY, what am I going to do with you? What am I going to do with you? Like, I feel I need to upgrade my box again just to get more stuff. And I have so much stuff already. Oh, well, obviously I'm keeping these because I just tested them on my skin. So sorry, I can't give these away. Oh, my bad. Sorry, not sorry. Thank you for watching. I am really enjoying my IPSY. I have not received a duplicate nail polish yet. I don't even think I've received any duplicate products at all. And I think I've had it for a while. Yeah, I'm really happy. I'm really happy with my IPSY Glam Bag Plus. I'm glad I upped it to the Glam Bag Plus because I love receiving full-size products because sometimes you can't get enough of a try with a sample. I kind of wish they offered hair products, to be honest, because I'd love to try some new hair stuff. So look into that, IPSY. That might be hard, though, because everyone's hair is so different. That might be a little too much. I need to stick with what works for my hair. This is Not Your Mother's Curl Enhancing Mousse. Love. This is day 2 or 3. 3. And sometimes I'll just re-wet it in the morning just to kind of gel it back together because when you're sleeping it's everywhere. And then, I mean, look at the body. Look at the body. Look at the curls. Look at the curls. This is one of my favorite products to use on my hair, along with the Kinky Curly Cream. But this one is a better multi-day hair product. It stays better. I probably use a lot, but still, it works for me. So, have a great day. Enjoy your holiday season, no matter what you celebrate or how or why. Make the most of it. Enjoy the people around you. And spread the joy of how you celebrate with others. Thank you. Take care. Thanks again for watching. Peace.